This is the EM2 that fails to proceed. So I'm in the process of taking it apart, and I'm going to try and service the motor. So I'll get right into that now. So this copper contact plate just slides right off here, and then it's a case of removing the body in one piece. There are no wires attached. There are no additional pickups on the back bogie. The wheels don't look very clean, but we'll check them out later. So you've probably all seen this type of motor. Not really sure why it won't proceed, as I say, but we'll give it a look and see what we can come up with. So now I've removed all the little bits and pieces, and you have to be extremely careful when removing this. Just gently lift the four corners out from those little pins that are on there, so that you don't break or bend this. It looks relatively clean, but it will get a good scrub, as will everything else. And now I don't want to take the magnets out. Just don't want to go there at this point, but I'll do my best to clean everything and oil the various points, and then we'll see what happens once we get it back together. In the meantime, I found this when I was rummaging through a box of bits and pieces here that are still to be attended to, and it works. It's been sitting in there for some time, but it does, yeah, see, it does work. So I'll just give that a clean around. You can see there's a bit of rust and wear on the motor, but that will be easily cleaned. And it just so happens that I have, I think, a body that might fit. I'll need to check it out. A little bit of closer inspection may not be the, oh, there you go, perfect fit. That's going to be ideal around here. So here we are back on the test track. I've cleaned everything up, put it back together, hopefully in the correct order. So full power, nothing. Put it on the main track. And nothing. That's very disappointing. So I don't know what the issues are. You know, I cleaned the pickups and they're all back in the correct position. I cleaned the cog, or at least I cleaned the worm gear, and I cleaned the axles, oiled everything. I think what I might try and do is I'll take the bottom off and see if there's anything jammed in there. Okay, so the base plate's off. I'm not really sure if there's anything untoward there. Can't really see anything that's stuck in there that shouldn't be in there, but I'll take a closer look. I'll clean this. Oh, I'll try and clean this cog up a little bit, see what else I can find, and then we'll start again. So I took off the base plate, removed those 4 screws, cleaned everything up in there, oiled where the axles are going to go in, put a little bit of grease on the cogs, put it back together, back on the track, and not even a spark. So I'm back to square one with this, really not sure what the next step is. When I purchased it, I don't recall if it said it was a runner or not, but I paid a few dollars for it because it was an EM2 and it is Aurora, as you can see. So I'll just have to do a bit more research and see if I miss something, or maybe if there's somebody out there that can make any suggestions. Well, one positive has come out of this exercise is that I now have this Triang 060 running freely, as you can see. Clipped over that point. So the problem with this was, after closer inspection and a bit of cleaning, was that the insulated sleeve was not engaged with the brush. So once I realised that and put it underneath the clip, it worked perfect. So that's good. That's a positive outcome on that. But regarding this monster here, really not sure what to do. If anyone's got any explanations as to what might the issue could be, I'd appreciate if you could drop me a line. So if I can't find anything else, I'll be posting this. Well, as you can see, there is a further problem there. Those pins aren't fully connected with the wheels, and that's causing the loco to hesitate and stop as the connecting bar rotates with the wheels. So I've done my best to try and get it back in there. I'm not sure if there's a bend somewhere in the connecting bar, but once it's back in place, it seems to run okay. Might warrant a further look. I must say it's pretty pleasing to get an old loco like that running as smoothly as it is. And you know, you see here where I slow it down a fair bit and it just crawls along there, and it makes its way through most of the points, with a few exceptions, as you see there. And on the test track, it seems to run consistently, no problem, and that's a very good sign. I'll put the body back on it and see what it does. And there's the Jinty, which would look like the original set of the Carabelle. In this one there are 4 Carabelle car carriers being hauled around by the Jinty, and that is outstanding to me, that I've got it working. I just happen to have a body for that motor, and it looks great. Not really sure what stop that's okay. There you go. Point where it'll stop. It just needs a good run-in. Thanks for dropping by. Please give me the big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you can, and look over my shoulders, have a look at what's coming or what you may have not seen in the past. Bye for now.